In this video, I show you how you can earn hundreds of dollars every month using just your smartphone and an active internet connection. The first thing you have to do is to go to the App Store or Google Play if you have iOS, and after installing this program named PaidWork, click on this button here that says Open. The first thing you want to do is create your account. So just click on sign up. You can then use email and password or use one of the other options, and once that's done, just log in into your account and do it. It's seconds, like you will have $0 in your balance, but let me actually show you how you can make money with this money. So go here, then click on earn. We have different options here like watching videos, but you can also earn by playing games or filling out surveys. That you can also earn money online, shopping, and also small jobs. Just click where it says earn to watch videos, then you want to click here where it says Fiverr. Here it says watch videos for 30 seconds, get up to 0 second points. What you want to do now is just click on start watching video. Just watch the video for 30 seconds, then click skip and earn points, which you can then convert into real money. And of course, the more ads you watch, the more money you will earn. They also accept everyone into the program. It doesn't matter where you live, and you can watch more ads to earn more. Here and now, as you can see, you will earn 6 cents for every ad you watch, but you may even earn more than 6 cents depending on your country. Of course, I know that 6 cents, it's not a lot of money, but if you are not skilled, it might be a good option for you. But let me show you how to withdraw your money from this app. So you want to go here and then click on setting and then go to Blink, and that's where you can add your details. As here it says add details, billing information to receive payments. So just type your first name here, last name, and zip code here. And like I said, it doesn't matter where you live. It accepts all countries here, and also choose your currency from here. If you like, you can only use US. You can then save your information. If we go over here where it says payment threshold, you can see here that you need to collect $10 in order from to be able to pay into your account. So $10 is the minimum you need to be able to withdraw from this program. And if we go to the forms of payments, you will see that the available payments method are bank transfer and also PayPal, which is great now. $10 isn't too hard to come by, especially if you try these other methods here, like playing games and liking surveys, and don't just really on watching ads. But if you just want to get to $10 really fast, I have a special tip for you. So you can come to this section where it says referral program, and as you can see here, it says invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money with legal work. If that person makes their first payment, you both get $10. So it's great way to earn $10. All you have to do is copy your link from here and start inviting other people to the program. Now we go to the next website, which is called grabpoints.com. 100% is free and also works worldwide. As you can see here, it says earn free cash and gift cards by taking surveys. But as I told you, we will also earn here by watching ads. So first thing you want to do is sign up with an email and enter a password and click create account. After doing this, you need to complete your information to set up your account, such as your email and name, gender, and then your phone number and address. Of course, you can also enter your account with your Gmail account and then complete your information. Here you get 500 points for completing your demographic information. Just clicking on it will take us to this page. Now all you have to do here is to answer some simple questions like hobbies and also about buying finance and about your work and thinking like that. To get started, just click on one of them and then fill in the information. You can complete a lot of surveys and experience a lot of earning on this web. Also, when you go to the bottom of the page where it says offer walls, now there are different offers here, but if you look at these two offers right here, you can click on one of these. So here you can make a money watching videos, some pay. Now offers will be shown to you again. They are also continuously uploaded every day.